Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to allow your followers to reply to your stories on Facebook. If you've noticed people can't respond to your stories, or if you're just setting up your account preferences, this quick guide will help you adjust everything the right way. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to change the settings. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap to open it, then choose Settings. This will lead you to your main settings menu where you can customize your privacy, profile, and content preferences. Next, look for a section called Audience and Visibility. Under this section, select Stories. This is where you'll find all the options that control how your stories appear and who can interact with them. Once you're in the Stories settings, find the option labeled Allow followers to reply to your stories. If that toggle is turned off, followers who aren't on your friends list won't be able to send you a reply or message from your stories. To open up replies, simply toggle it on. When the switch is active, followers can respond to your stories just like your friends can. This setting gives you more flexibility in connecting with your audience, especially if you're using Facebook for engagement, personal growth, or business promotion. It helps keep your interactions open while still letting you control who can reach out. And that's it. You've successfully allowed your followers to reply to your Facebook stories. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you connect and communicate with your community. If you found this helpful, take a moment to pass it along to someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.